channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how you can make money online by watching YouTube videos. But let's be frank here, they don't really pay a lot of money, but you can only use this as a side hustle for yourself. So I'll be sharing with you 4 strategies that you can use to make money online by watching YouTube videos. Now, this first strategy, we'll start by the apps. Number 1 app here that I have is called Watch to Earn. It's an app that is available on Android but not on iOS. They pay you money when you watch videos, review videos, and get paid instantly to your PayPal account or accounts that you can use. Second app we have here is called Cash Click. Well, this is just a new platform that came up online, and it's actually good. Yes, it's good, and all you need to do is to sign up your name, and it's also a website, but we're dealing on apps, right? So you have to sign up your name and all that. Now, number 3 we have here is called creationreward.net. Yes, creationreward.net. All you need to do is put your username, your email, and accept terms and conditions that you can start earning for yourself. But let's be fair, they do not pay a lot of money. I'm saying it now as an alarm. This app does not pay a lot of money. Now on our 4th app, we have Pay. Well, it's only available on Android, not on iOS. Well, you get paid by watching videos, since we're dealing with watching YouTube videos online, and they will pay you directly into your PayPal account, and you can get paid instantly. Now, this app is called Pay to Work. Yes, Pay to Work. Pay to Work pays more than all this app. So if you want to make a lot of money with this first strategy I'm giving you guys, you have to download more than 1 app to be able to make money, and it's kind of stressful. But here's my second strategy. It's called shrinklink.io. Yes, shrinklink.io. How does it work with YouTube? This is how it works. Once you go to YouTube, you copy a link to the video. Copy the link of that video, then put it on shrinklink.io, and what it does is shorten the link, and you can post it on your Facebook page, Instagram, and get paid instantly. It refers to your own country. It's your own country that they pay you, like if you're in Nigeria, or if you're in England, you get paid $22 per 1,000 views. That's money, right? Like I said, it is a side hustle. Now, my 3rd strategy is affiliate with YouTube videos. Affiliate, which we use. Yes. Have you heard of Online Business Club? I'm sure some of us must have heard it, but some of us must have not. Online Business Club is where you get paid for helping them to sell their digital products, and you get 30% commission, 30% commission of it. So, I love this one the most because you can earn up to $1,000 or more than $1,000, and it pays really, really well. And if you also want to make money more than that, you can go to their website where they have courses. Yes, they will teach you how to make money. Using their course, you can end up meeting YouTubers one-on-one. You can end up meeting rich people that are also teaching people how to make money online. So it's very, very simple, and it is straightforward. I really love this 3rd one because it is one of my best. It is one of my best so far. So now, the last but definitely not the least, the 4th strategy, that is vocal with YouTube. Now, you might be wondering, what do I mean by vocal with YouTube? Vocal is the site where you can post articles. Yes, and per 1,000 views on your articles, you get $3.80. But it's not the kind of money we are looking for, right? Now, I will tell you how you can change that into the kind of money you'll be looking for. So, all you need to do is go to your YouTube. Go to anybody YouTube, copy that transcript, and go to AI, ChatGPT or AI paragraph. Go there, recreate your transcript, then post it as an article on Vocal. So once you get 1,000 views, you get $3.80.
But just like I said, it cannot take over your day-to-day job. It's just like a side hustle. So let's leave it as a side hustle. So now we have come to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please do well to give this video a thumbs up and like it, subscribe, and click on the notification bell so you get not to miss any of our videos. I love you, family. Bye.